All right, so you have now created your own classroom. To get back to this spot again, you're going to use the Google Apps Launcher button. Okay, you're going to come over here and click on Classroom, and that will bring you to this screen right here. The class that we created over here is called Sample Classroom. Okay, if you notice, you can kind of get to your grade book, which we haven't created anything for, but you can get right to the grade book there, or you can get to all of your files for this class right there. All right, so when you click on this screen right here, this is what's called the stream. Okay, and you see how the line is here. This is marking that you're on the stream. This is what all your students will see when they log into your classroom every time. Okay, if you want to post something here, you can. So, like an announcement, welcome to our sample classroom. Okay. And that will, you can see how it goes here. This goes to this class only. Okay, if I click on this, I can actually type the same message to all of my classes at once. Or if I want to, I can uncheck this box right here and I can just send it to certain students on my list. So if I want to like assign groups and have one group working on something and one group working on another thing, you can do that very easily here. If I click on this add button right here, I can add any of these things. Now this is just a post, so this is just informational. Think of it as like a sign on your door or like an email that you're sending out to your whole class that everyone will be able to see. Okay. If you click on post, it will hit right immediately. If you click on the little down arrow, you have options. You can hit schedule. So I can post this, say, Monday morning at 8 o'clock or at Tuesday afternoon or whatever. I can choose what time it goes. If you choose the scheduling option, you can only save it or you can only post it to one class at a time. Okay, and there is a way to use it, but I will show you that later. Or you can save it as a draft if you're not quite sure you have everything you want for that post. So I'm just going to hit post so that we have something in our stream for you to see. Okay, so this is now our classroom. Up here is a classwork tab, which we will look in our next video. Again, the people tab here is where we went last time to add teachers and students. Okay. And then there's something called a grade tab here, but I don't have any students to show you because we don't have any kids in our class yet. So there's that. If you go over here to this button right here, I can change all kinds of information about my class. And if I change anything, I can hit save. And if I don't change anything, I have an X there. Hope that helps.